Hello there, I'm Daniel, the founder of Galactic Games, and today we are going to show you how to make a realistic flashlight in Unreal Engine 5 and 4. To create this flashlight effect, you will need a special texture like this one. It's important that the texture is transparent. The link to download this texture is in the video description. Here we go. Find your player character's blueprint and double click to open it. If you don't know what player character blueprint you have, you can look in the world settings of your level or in the project settings, maps and modes. Go to the viewport and use the add component button to add a spring arm and move it to the first person camera. Spring arm allows you to create an effect where the light slowly follows the player's camera. Then you add a spotlight, which will be the light coming from a flashlight. That the camera rotates, the spring arm will rotate with the spotlight. In the spring arm details, you will set the target aim length from 300 to 0. Check use spawn control rotation and also check enable camera rotation lag. This setting will help you control the position of the light by moving the camera. I will move the spring arm together with the spotlight to the camera to make the light come out of the camera. But it's up to you what position you choose. In details, this time we will set the spotlight, depending on how it suits you. I will set the outer core angle to 40 and the inner core angle to 10, to make the light more realistic. Complete and save, and we are good to go. The light follows the camera beautifully and everything works as it should. Now let's create this flashlight effect. Go to the content browser, where I already have a flashlight texture. You can find this texture in the video description. You need to create a light function material. Right click on the content browser and select create material. Name it and double click to open it. Now set the domain material to light function. Set the RGB in the texture sample to emissive color and confirm the changes. We will save everything just in case and go to the player's blueprint. Here we select spotlight and in the detail selection of the light function material, select your already created material. Compile and save and we can test it. We can see the light has a texture and everything works. But on some objects you can see it's better and on some objects you can see it's worse. But it looks very realistic. You can see the flashlight can't be turned off or on. Let's go to fix this. We need to create a system that can turn the flashlight off or on by pressing a button of our choice. Go to the project settings and in the engine category, in the input selection, add a new action mapping. For example, you will name it flashlight and choose a key to control the flashlight. Go back to the player blueprint and in the event graph, add a flashlight action event. Use the shortcut left mouse button plus B to add a branch, or you can find it. Move the spotlight to the graph and from spotlight pull get hidden in game. Add set hidden in game, which we already have connected to spotlight, and set hidden in game connect to the true in branch. We will copy set hidden in game and attach the spotlight and to false. This time we will check hidden in game. If you click on the F key in game, F key will trigger an action event and the game will ask if the spotlight is hidden or not. If yes, we will set as visible, and if no, it will be set as hidden. This will create a system for us to turn the flashlight on or off. So when I launch the game, I use the F key to turn the flashlight off or on. If you want the flashlight to be off at the start of the game, you simply set it as hidden in game in details. And that's it, thank you for watching, and I would like to remind you that we will soon be releasing early access to our new horror game Bloodlight. Thank you for support, join our Galactic Discord server and try our games. Have a Galactic day!